Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, I've got a pair of earbuds that I think you're gonna like. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the Monster N-Lite Clear Talk True Wireless Earbuds. All right guys, so in this video, we're gonna unbox these. We're gonna check out the features and specs. We're gonna check out the build quality. We're gonna see how they fit, and more importantly, we'll see how they sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. All right, so they come in this white box. Some Monster branding up top. We've got N-Lite Clear Talk down here at the bottom. And we've got a picture of the earbuds front and center. Here are some of the features. They've got touch controls. It's USB-C. It's got environmental noise cancellation, and it's Bluetooth 5.3. In the back here, we've got some more Monster branding up top. Some of the features here. All right, so let's open this up and see what we get inside. All right, first thing we've got a little QR code for warranty, should you need it. Take a look at that later. So inside this little packet, you've got the user manual. That's cool. Take a look at that later. What else? And more warranty paperwork right here. So that's cool. We'll put that off to the side. See if we got anything else in there. Here we go. Got some earbuds. Looks like 3 additional pairs, probably extra small, small, and large. Actually, let me open this up. Looks like there's more than just 3 pairs. All right, so we've got multiple pairs here. I'll have to check this out, but got 2, 4, 6. I'm missing one. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Wow. And there's probably a size medium installed on the earbuds from the factory. So that's really cool. You get a bunch of earbuds or ear tips, so you can make sure that you find the right size that fits your ears. And we've got the charging cable, the USB-A to USB-C. Pretty standard. So that's cool. And the earbuds. Very nice and compact. Got some Monster branding on the lid here. At the bottom, you've got your USB-C port. And it is made out of plastic, matte black. Pretty cool. No fingerprints. That's always nice. Got a little LED light here. The lid here has a nice snap to it. I like that. Let's compare the case to the Apple AirPods Gen 3s real quick. Grab those. All right, so here is the AirPod Gen 3 case, the Monster N-Lite. And as you can see, the Monster is very compact, just like the AirPods. It's got a pretty slim profile. AirPods probably just a little bit more slim, but overall, should be no problem carrying these around in your pocket, even if you are rocking slim or skinny jeans. All right, so let's check out the earbuds. So here are the earbuds. It is a gloss black. The stem here is flat. Oh, nice. It's got some Monster branding right there, if you can see that. See if you can see that. See if I can focus that for you guys. There you go. Nice Monster branding. Got your charging pins right there at the bottom of the stem. Again, these are touch controls. Let's check out the left earbud. Also got some Monster branding, and your charging pins right there at the bottom again. But very nice. I like that branding on the side of them. All right, let's put these in ear and see how they feel. They are very lightweight in ear. I think they feel good. And that is how they look. Pretty comfortable as is from the factory for me with the medium ear tips. I like that. So very cool. Again, let's do a shake test while we got these. Shake test. All right, so these pass. Very nice. They did not pop out. That is always a plus. And again, that lid has a nice snap to it. So here they are in case. Very nice looking. And again, this case is matte black, and it does not, it's not a fingerprint magnet, which is always cool. Overall, the build quality is nice. I mean, it's made out of plastic again, so you can't really expect much. The case holds the earbuds in nice and secure, so that's cool. All right, so let's go ahead and pair this with my phone real quick. All right, so make sure you got Bluetooth on your phone. Have the buds nearby, open the lid, pull one out, and as you can see, it popped up real quick. Monster N-Lite Clear Talk. Hit connect. And you are paired. So now let's try these on, see how they sound. Ooh. Forgot to turn it down, dang. Almost took out my eardrums there. So I'm playing some hip hop. I've got it about 50%. So yeah, not bad. Sound clarity is pretty good. Vocals is pretty clear. Not so much on the bass heavy side. Pretty well balanced. And I dig that. I like that. Just checking out some specs here real quick. So it looks like these are IPX8 waterproof. Again, they have Bluetooth 5.3 and looks like 60 hours of playtime, and it supports fast charging. Now you can use these with both in ear, or you can use them with just one in ear if you need to hear your surroundings and things like that. These are IPX8 water resistance. So very good on the water resistance there. Typically you see these at like IPX5 rating. So these shouldn't have any kind of problems if you're out in the gym, get a little sweat on them, or if you get caught out in the rain, no problems with these. Yeah, again, these had that fast charging. So if you charge for 5 minutes, you get an additional 2 hours, which is really nice. And as you saw, pairing these are really simple. So overall, if you pick these up at the sale price of 25 bucks, it is, I think it's definitely a good pickup at that price point. But at the normal 39, I probably would pass. Because to me, it is a little bit lacking on the bass side, and I'm more of a bass head. But overall, it's not bad. If you, for 25 bucks, definitely a pickup. For anything more, probably pass on that one. Before I forget, let's do a mic check on these. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at Tekmogo, doing a quick mic check on the Monster N-Lite Clear Talk True Wireless Earbuds. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. All right, let me know how these sound in the comments. Let me see if it's acceptable to you guys. Yeah, let me know down below. So guys, that is going to be it for this video. Again, if you can pick these up on sale for the $25 price range, I think it's a go. Any more than that, I would probably pass. But overall, pretty solid budget pair of earbuds. So guys, if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let me take these out real quick and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.